Hello friends, you're welcome to the Crypto News channel, and basically what I share with the rest of the world is information about what you can do to make money in the crypto space and blockchain industry and how to go about them, the best way to go about them. Okay, so in the channel I shared a lot of videos on this channel, and you don't want to miss my updates. Okay, so please subscribe to this channel, okay, and be a part of this family. Okay, so today I'm going to share with you um the basic setup of Scalper bot on the Bitsgap platform. And so far, in the last few weeks, okay, about 1 week now, this is about 5 days to 12 hours, this is 11 days, 8 hours. Okay, so I'm going to show you the bot performance so far. Okay, if you check the videos in the channel, you must have seen a video on how I created these bots. Okay, especially the AMPL USDT bot. All right, so now look at this video. Look at this video. I recorded the video some weeks ago. Okay, let me say like 5 days ago or something. So look at this. I started the bot with 149.84 USDT. Okay, it was actually $150 because, but the dollar fluctuate against stable coin sometimes. So this is now 149.84. Okay, and when you look at the cake, but that's 144.27. Okay, below here. So now when you now go back to these points, now see the big difference. All right, so let me pull out the calculator so they can have an idea of how far the bot has performed so far. Okay, so I'm gonna open this. Open 210 minus 144.27. Okay, so in the last 11 days the bot already made 65.73 dollars profit. All right, so but for this one, which is the AMPL USDT, currently I'm now at 191.99. Okay, so minus, that's gonna be like 91.99 minus this 149.84. So let me pull out the calculator real quick. Okay, so 191.99 minus 149.8 what? Let me say 87, I guess. 87. All right. So that's 42.12. All right. So 42.92 now divided by 5 days, because this board has been running for the past 5 days now. So what's the answer? The answer is 8.4. Okay. So assuming that I launched the board with $1,500 every day, I'm going to be making 8.4. So by now I will have made $420 from it. So that's incredible. If you ask me, that's so incredible and so powerful. Right, so now I'm going to launch a new bot now, because I've already tested the bot. It has proven itself to be a nice bot. So I'm going to be launching a new bot now, because I want to earn more money. Who doesn't like more money? Okay, now between the time that I started this video and now, this has increased from 191.99 to 192.39. That's amazing. Okay, so that is how powerful the Scalper bot is. It's a new bot and it is highly efficient. Okay, regardless of the market direction, you're gonna be making profit with this bot a day in, day out. Okay, so what do you need? You need to have an account on Kucoin. If you already have an account on Kucoin, there's no problem with that. But if you don't have an account on Kucoin, I would appreciate it if you sign up with my affiliate link down below this video, because you're going to be helping this channel to grow. And aside that, you're going to be preventing yourself from using a phishing website. Okay, so you don't lose your money on the internet. So use the right link and sign up on KuCoin right now. Okay, so if you have any question on KuCoin, you can ask me. Join the community, and answer all your questions. Okay, ask me in the comment down below, or join the Telegram group and ask me any question that you may have in your mind. Okay, so then the second thing you need now is the Bitsgap itself. Right now, the Scalper bot is absolutely free to use till the next 19 days. So it's been available since the last 11 days now that it was launched. So you only have about 18 days now and a few hours now to join this train. Otherwise, it's going to leave you behind. Okay, so Now I'm going to launch a new bot and show you exactly how to go about it. If you want to watch a video on how to link your Kucoin exchange with the Bitsgap platform, I've already made a video on that. So I'm going to be sharing the link to that video also in the video description. All right. So check the description. Every links that you need, they're going to be there for you. Okay. You only need to use it. All right. So now the bots will always catch every price move. But look at this now. There are dozens of sell orders here, buy orders rather, and there are dozens of sell orders here. So it's going to be buying, it was already bought up from this point all to this level. Okay, it has bought them systematically. Okay, so and you're going to be selling at this point. All right, so it doesn't matter where the market is going, you are going to catch the wave, make the best out of this market. All right, so aside from making money on the platform, aside from making profit with these bots, then you can also join the trading competition. I'm going to show you how that works very soon. So just stay with me to the end of this video. Okay, so now I want to launch a bot on what token is that? Let me use Shield. Okay, let me use Project Shield. So I'm going to launch a bot on this Shield project. So that is going to be Shield slash USDT. Okay. Okay, what should I do about that? Okay, let me change this. I think I should avoid this for now. All right, I should avoid this for now. So let me try EOS. Let me try EOS and see, or EOS USDT. Okay, right now EOS is down, and let me see if I can take advantage of this downfall and make some money for myself. Okay, so I'm gonna be launching this bot with 79 USD. I'm not sure about 80 USDT right now. Okay, so after this bot now, I have the opportunity to launch one more bot. Okay, so if I'm going to launch one more bot, I'm not going to be launching with this amount of money. I'm going to be putting in minimum of 300 USDT on that bot. So I'm going to fund this account and launch a better bot. So now what I'm going to do now is to come here and click on preview. Everything is done for you. You don't have to start inputting your grid level, your grid step, your grid percentage, and all that. All those stresses that you encounter with other bots. Scalper bot is just like one click, few clicks, and you're done with it. Okay. So I'm going to click on preview to preview everything that I've done so far. So the low price is going to be 3.4572, and the high price is going to be 3.96. Okay, so should the price go up below this, even up to like $5, $6, $10 per US, it's going to follow it with this trail function. And if it's going down also, it's going to trade it down. Okay, so that's exactly what you need. Okay, now I'm going to click on confirm. Yes, I'm going to click on yes because I want to buy US at this current price. Okay, so you have to click on yes. So it's going to buy at market order. Market order has been filled. Awesome. I like that. I like that a lot. So let's wait until the bot is fully launched. So you have to wait a couple of minutes. As you can see live as the orders are being created live on the screen. So the bot is going to be creating 135 orders. Okay. So far in the last 5 days, 12 hours, the bot already made 15,168 trades, meaning that the bot has already made about 3,000 trades per day. As humans, you cannot achieve this. Okay, not possible. You cannot achieve this as human. So you have an opportunity to use the bot now for free. Okay, for free. I'm still going to be waiting for this. While waiting for this, let me show you how this works. If you join this competition now, and you find yourself among the top 200 or top 150 here, you're going to be sharing part of this. Okay, you're going to be sharing part of this pool. Okay, so right now we have a pool of 34,730 USDT in this pool now. So if you can just, my aim is to reach the top 20 at least in this competition. All right, so I'm a good trader, so I shouldn't have any problem with achieving that. So success, your bot has been started. So I'm going to click on done. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Okay, don't forget to turn on the notification button, like this video, comment, and let me know what you think, and share with your friends. Don't keep this good news to yourself only. That's going to be like stingy. That's going to make you look like a stingy person, right? So And that's all you need to know about the Bitsgap Scalper bot. I've just launched a new bot now, and that's exactly how to launch a new bot on this platform. It is quite easy. If you have any question, ask me in the comment box. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also, if you have any question, also you can join the Telegram community and ask me, or drop your question in the comment box, and I'll answer it as fast as possible. Okay, so see you guys in the next tutorial on how to launch combo bots on this platform. Probably going to be trading on futures trading market on Binance. I want to use bot for that, so I'm going to teach you how to use that combo bot for it. Okay, see you guys in the next video, guys. Bye for now.